Since the dawn of civilization, humans have been captivated by the allure of treasure. From glittering gold to precious jewels, countless valuables have been crafted, buried, and lost to time, only to be unearthed centuries later. Join me as we journey across continents, diving into the heart of 10 extraordinary treasure finds that captivated historians and ignited the dreams of treasure hunters this year. Our first stop takes us to the bustling metropolis of Tokyo, Japan, where ancient history often intersects with modern life. During a routine construction project, workers stumbled upon a massive hoard of approximately 100,000 coins. Imagine the look on their faces as they carefully extracted these coins from the earth, like ancient time capsules just waiting to be opened. Dating back to a period spanning from 175 BC to 1265 AD, these coins offer a breathtaking glimpse into Japan's past. Among the finds were fascinating Chinese coins inscribed with the characters for Banliang, hinting at the intricate trade routes and cultural exchanges of the time. This discovery isn't just about the quantity of coins, it's about the stories they tell, the whispers of emperors and merchants, of daily life and ancient economies. From Tokyo, we plunge into the turquoise depths of the Mediterranean Sea off the coast of Egypt. Here, a team of underwater archaeologists discovered a sunken temple dedicated to the god Amun, lost beneath the waves for centuries. Dating back to the mid-2nd century BC, this temple wasn't just an architectural marvel, it was a treasure trove of ancient artifacts. The team carefully recovered objects, each one a piece of a long-lost puzzle. Silver ritual instruments, their surfaces shimmering after centuries beneath the waves, spoke of ceremonies dedicated to the divine. Exquisite gold jewelry hinted at the opulence and grandeur of the era. And then there were the alabaster containers, their delicate carvings still visible despite the ravages of time. These underwater treasures offer us a unique window into the religious practices, craftsmanship, and everyday lives of the people who walked those hallowed halls millennia ago. Our quest takes us to the rolling hills and winding rivers of Germany, where a discovery steeped in Celtic lore captured the world's imagination. Imagine you're walking along a riverbank when you spot something glinting in the sunlight. You bend down to take a closer look, and there, nestled amongst the rocks, is a golden coin, its surface adorned with intricate designs. This is a 2,000-year-old Celtic rainbow cup, a rare and highly sought-after artifact. This particular cup features a four-pointed star surrounded by delicate arches, its surface as bright as the day it was lost. According to Celtic legend, rainbow cups were believed to be drops of gold that fell to earth at the end of rainbows, imbued with magical properties. Its discovery adds another layer of intrigue to the already fascinating world of Celtic mythology and reminds us that sometimes the most incredible treasures are found in the most ordinary of places. Our next treasure hunt takes us to the heartland of America, to a Kentucky cornfield that held a secret buried for over 150 years. A man, working his land, suddenly found himself face to face with history. His metal detector began to sing, a high-pitched whine that sent a shiver down his spine. As he carefully dug into the earth, he unearthed 700 Civil War-era gold and silver coins. This wasn't just some random collection of coins, this was the Great Kentucky Hoard, a cache of wealth hidden away during one of the most turbulent periods in American history. In a desperate attempt to protect their savings from Confederate raids, a Kentucky family buried their life savings, hoping against hope that they would one day return to reclaim their treasure. But as fate would have it, they never did. Now, over a century and a half later, their secret has been unearthed, offering us a poignant glimpse into the lives of those who lived through those tumultuous times. Each coin in the hoard tells a story, a testament to the enduring human spirit in the face of adversity. Our treasure hunt now carries us across the pond to the rugged landscapes of Wales, where archaeologists made a discovery that shines a light on the fashion and artistry of our Bronze Age ancestors. Imagine carefully excavating a 3,000-year-old burial site, the earth slowly revealing its secrets after millennia of slumber. Among the pottery shards and skeletal remains, a glint of gold catches your eye. It's a golden hair ring, its surface a testament to the skill of ancient artisans. This wasn't just any ornament, this was a piece de resistance, a symbol of status and prestige. The craftsmanship is incredible. The ring is adorned with intricate chevron and herringbone patterns, meticulously crafted to impress. This burial held another surprise, an ancient wooden comb, believed to be the oldest ever found in the UK. The discovery of these artifacts has sparked more questions than answers, inviting us to peer back through the mists of time and imagine the life of this individual and the world they inhabited. Our next stop takes us to the heart of Europe, to the Czech Republic, where a remarkable discovery transported archaeologists back to a time when glassmaking was a closely guarded secret and Celtic coins held sway. Deep in the Czech countryside, hidden beneath layers of earth, lay the remnants of the oldest known glass workshop north of the Alps, a site dating back an astonishing 2,300 years. Imagine the heat of the furnace, the glow of molten glass, and the clinking of tools as skilled artisans practiced their craft. The workshop was littered with glass beads, jewelry fragments, and other remnants of their work, showcasing the sophistication and beauty of their creations. But amidst the tools and the broken glass lay another surprise, a hoard of 2,000 Celtic gold and silver coins. This unexpected discovery suggests that the workshop wasn't just a place of craftsmanship, it was a hub of commerce, a place where ancient trade routes converged. The coins themselves are a window into the past, connecting this humble workshop to a vast network of trade and cultural exchange that spanned the Celtic world. Our treasure hunt now leads us eastward to the rugged landscapes of Pakistan, where amidst the ruins of an ancient Buddhist stupa, a heavy and mysterious discovery awaited. Imagine unearthing a 12-pound lump of corroded metal, its surface hinting at the shapes of countless coins fused together by time. This wasn't just any random clump of metal, this was a 2,000-year-old hoard of bronze coins, each one a piece of a historical jigsaw puzzle. The coins, painstakingly separated and cleaned, revealed their secrets. They were minted during the Kushan Empire, a powerful empire that once controlled a vast swath of South and Central Asia. These coins, silent witnesses to centuries gone by, offer invaluable insights into the Kushan Empire's economic and political landscape. The discovery of this coin hoard at a Buddhist shrine raises intriguing questions about the relationship between religious institutions and the economy in ancient times. This remarkable find adds another layer to our understanding of the Kushan Empire and its legacy in the region. Our final treasure hunt takes us to Poland, where a metal detectorist's keen eye and a stroke of luck led to a fascinating glimpse into 17th century life. Imagine scouring a field with your trusty metal detector, the anticipation building with each beep and crackle. Suddenly, a strong signal, promising something substantial buried beneath the surface. And there, nestled in the earth, lay a simple clay jug, its unassuming exterior hiding a secret. Inside, 1,000 copper coins, each one a testament to the daily transactions of a bygone era. These copper coins, the lifeblood of the 17th century Polish economy, circulated through markets, paid for goods and services, and represented the hard work and aspirations of countless individuals. They tell tales of farmers bringing their produce to market, of artisans selling their wares, of the hustle and bustle of daily life in a time long past. This discovery, though seemingly modest, reminds us that history isn't just about kings and queens, battles and empires. It's also about the everyday lives of ordinary people. From bustling cities to ancient temples, from cornfields to riverbanks, these incredible finds remind us that the world is still full of hidden treasures, each one a tangible link to our shared past. Who knows what other mysteries lie buried beneath our feet, waiting for the right moment, the right person, to bring them to light. As long as there are those who seek, the hunt for ancient caches and lost treasures will continue, fueling our imaginations and reminding us that the thrill of discovery is a timeless and universal pursuit.